When you upload any video, that you face this problem that your favorite sound not showing after upload a video. So how I fix this issue? Watch full video till end. So first of all take screenshot and go to profile home page. After that click on 3 dot which is top right. Then click on settings and privacy. Scroll down. Click on report a problem. Again scroll down. And click here that says contact with us. Here are some frequently asked questions. I want to grow my account. How to start a live, recover my account, and I have questions about direct messages. So I select last option. That says I have questions about direct messages. Again questions. How to send a direct message. I cannot send or receive direct messages. Why is my message banned? And other questions. So I select last option that says other questions. Can you share more details on what you need help with? And here little two options that says that helpful and not helpful. You select helpful. Then enter the problem here. You can copy the problem from the description and send. Are these questions what you need help with? Why is my favorite sounds list incomplete when posting? Why is my favorite sounds list incomplete? And why are my favorite posts missing? You select first option. That says why is my favorite sounds list incomplete when posting? Share with us details on what you need help with. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Click on submit a ticket. And here type same issue, with username and followers. And attach problem screenshot. And submit. Ticketed submitted. Thank you for your feedback. We'll contact you. Go to back. Again back. Log out of the account. Now wait 24 hours. TikTok team will be resolve your problem very quickly. And then after 24 hours open TikTok. And log in. Upload any post. Then go to sound icon. Tap on favorites. Here you can see that my favorite sound showing. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.